Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about various means of transport. Transport refers to the activity that facilitates physical movement of goods as well as individuals from one place to another. In business, it supports trade and industry in carrying raw materials to the places of production and distributing finished products for consumption. Types of transport. There are three kinds of transport: land, water, and air. The kind of transport we choose depends on the distance travelled, the money we have, and the time available. India has a well-developed system of roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. Land transport. Land transport refers to the activities of physical movement of goods and passengers on land. This movement takes place on road, rail, or pipe. There are many types of transport that are used on the land. Trains, buses, tractors, cars, trucks, scooters, tongas, and carts are all the means of road transport. It is a common and a convenient means of transportation for people and goods. Railways. Our country is very well connected by railways. It is the fastest mode of transport on land. Railways is used for heavy and large loads over long and land journeys. Advantages of railways are lowest overall cost per unit weight. Railways is the safest form of transport. It can be the most effective when linked into multimodal system. The disadvantages of railways are it routes between fixed terminals. They cannot stop at intermediary points. Rail transport cannot provide door-to-door services. Importance of railways. Indian railways carry most of long distances. It provides employment. It provides mail services. They carry big chunks of goods from place of production to ports. Iron and steel industries based upon railways as they transport raw materials and finished products from one place to another. Water transport. Water transport refers to the movements of goods and passengers on waterways by using various means like boats, steamers, launches, ships, etc. With the help of these means, goods and passengers are carried to different places, both within as well as outside the country. We can see many different types of transport in the water like ships, boats, and steamers. Waterways are used for transporting bulky or heavy goods. Water transport is used for big volumes for international traffic. There are some advantages of water transport. For heavy and bulky goods, water transport is very convenient. And for products with long lead times, it is very important. Water transport is cheaper and slowest means of transport. Disadvantages of water transport are there is difficulty in monitoring exact location. There are limited to appropriate ports. It takes time to transfer goods to the ships. Air transport. Air transport is the fastest and the most modern means of transportation. It is useful for transporting costly and lightweight consignments. Air transport is used in spraying pesticides in agricultural activities. Air transport is very expensive means of transport. We can see many different types of transport in the sky like parachute, aeroplane, helicopters, and many more. Urgent, perishable goods or high value are transported by air. The advantage of air transport is that it is the fastest means of transport. The disadvantage of air transport is it is very costly transport and it weights limits. Transportation is very important because it solves problem of unemployment. It supplies machines from one place to another, protect people from difficulties of war. It establishes relationship between other countries and states, large scale production. Thank you. I hope you understood the chapter clearly.